Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. I am from Labs Binyameen campus. Today I delivered a lecture on page number 171, lecture number 13, exercise 13b, filling the blanks. If two angles of the triangles are 45 degree and the 65 degree, then the third is 70 degree. Second, filling blanks, hypotenuse. Third, scalene. Fourth, obtuse. And fifth is scalene. Question number 2 on page number 172. State whether the following are true or false. First true, second true, third true, fourth false, fifth false. Question number 3. Construct the following triangles. AB is equal to 8 centimeter and BC is 6 centimeter and CA is equal to 4 centimeter. Part 1. Draw AB is equal to 8 centimeter with the help of ruler. Step 1. Then step 2. With the A as a center, draw an arc of radius of 4 centimeter. How? Look. Step 2. With the A as a center, draw an arc of radius 4 centimeter at point C. Then similarly draw an arc 6 centimeter. Step 3. With a B as a center, draw another arc of a radius 6 centimeter so that intersect the previous arc at point C. 4 point step, join C to A and B. So triangle ABC is the required triangles you have. इसी तरह आप पार्ट 2 करेंगे, देन आप इसके स्टेप्स भी सारे लिखेंगे. Similarly, first we draw AB is equal to 10 centimeter. Then with the A as a center, draw an arc of radius 8 centimeter. With the B as a center, draw an other arc of the radius 5 centimeter so that intersect the previous arc at point C. Join C to AB, so triangle AB is required triangle. Can be checked. Third part already done for you. This part is same and similar. AB is 9 centimeter, then BC is 6 centimeter, then AC is 12 centimeter. Write the step part 4 I do for you. First, draw AB 9 centimeter. Draw AB 6 centimeter. Step 2, at point B, draw an angle B is equal to 60 degree. You can draw, how to know, with help of compass. With a B as a center. Step 3. With a B as a center, draw an other arc of radius 6 centimeter to cut the BC at point C. Okay. Then point 4, join C to AB, and so you have the triangle ABC is required triangle. Baki same triangles are similar to, then you draw by self.